Good morning, friends. I am Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today I am going to discuss about models of communication. Firstly, we will see what is meant by models of communication. A model is widely used to depict any idea, thought, or a concept in a more simpler way through diagrams, pictorial representations, etc. Models go a long way in making the understanding of any concept easy and clear. Through a model, one can easily understand a process and draw conclusions from it. In simple words, we can say that a model makes the learning simple. So, in this way, the meaning of model is that it is a pictorial representations in which diagrams or some symbols are used to explain any idea or any concept, and with the help of a model the process of learning can be simple. Then we will discuss some models of communication. First category of models of communication is linear model of communication. Linear model of communication is a one-way communication model. It means that the flow of information flows from communicator to the receiver. In linear model of communication, there is no scope for the audience response or feedback. There is no concept of feedback. The only task that a receiver does here is to receive the messages. Different models that follow linear model of communication are Laswell's model of communication, Aristotle's model of communication, Shannon-Weaver model of communication, and Berlow's model of communication. So all these four models are categorized into the linear models of communication because there is no provision for the feedback. If we see the models, Aristotle's model of communication, it consists of only three elements, that is speaker, speech, and receiver. Then in the same way, Berlow's model, it consists of four elements: source, message, channel, and receiver. So in linear model of communication there is no provision for the feedback. Then second category is transactional models of communication. In transactional model, senders and receivers both are known as communicator and both play equally important role in communication. Transactional model relates communication with social reality, cultural upbringing, and relational context, that is relationship. Non-verbal feedback like gestures, body language is also considered as feedback in this category of model. Different models that follow transactional model of communication are Bernoulli's transactional model, helical model, and Baker's mosaic model. In all these three models, senders and receivers, it means communicator and the audience, both have equal chances to play the role of communicators. The next category is interactive model of communication. Interactive model or convergence model is similar to transactional model as they are both way communication model, but interactive model is mostly used for new media like internet. Here people can respond to any mass communications like videos, news, etc. People can exchange their views and ideas. Different models that follow interactive model of communication are Sacram's interactive model. In Sacram's interactive model, suppose an audience has seen a video on the internet. By analyzing that video, he can respond through his comments or some kind of reaction. This is called as interactive model of communication. Then next is the importance of communication model. Why communication models are important, that we are going to discuss here. First one is, communication models are systematic representations of the process which helps in understanding how communication works can be done. Then second one is, models show the process metamorphically and in symbols. They form general perspectives on communication by breaking communication from complex to simple and keeps components in order. Communication models can sometimes encourage traditional thinking and stereotyping, but can also omit some major aspects of human communication. And last one is, communication models are used by business companies and other firms to foster their communication, explore their options, and to evaluate their own situation. It is also used to understand how the receivers will interpret the message. So this is all about the models of communication. Thank you.